Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin with a simple but powerful truth. The world is moving forward every single second, whether you move with it or not. In today's world, survival is no longer about being physically strong. It is about being mentally flexible, emotionally intelligent, and skillfully prepared. A few decades ago, people could study once, get one job, and do the same work for 30 or 40 years. But today, that world is gone. Now we live in a world where jobs disappear overnight. Technology replaces humans. New skills are born every year. Old skills become useless very fast. In this world, improving your skills every day is not a luxury, it is a necessity for survival. Skills are the new currency. In the past, money was the most powerful currency. Today, skills are the real currency. Money can be lost. Degrees can become outdated. Titles can disappear. But skills stay with you wherever you go. If you lose your job but you have skills, you can create another opportunity. If you lose money but you have skills, you can earn again. If your industry collapses but you have skills, you can shift to another field. Skills give you freedom. Skills give you confidence. Skills give you power. Why degrees alone are no longer enough? Many people believe, I have a degree. That is enough. But let me ask you a question. How many highly educated people today are unemployed? Degrees show that you studied. Skills show that you can perform. Employers today ask, what can you do? What problems can you solve? What value can you create? They don't care how many certificates you have if you cannot apply knowledge in real life. That is why skilled people without degrees are earning more. Degree holders without skills are struggling. The future belongs to skilled learners, not certificate collectors. The world is changing faster than ever. Technology is not waiting for anyone. Artificial intelligence, automation, digital platforms, remote work. These are not future concepts. They are already here. Jobs that existed 10 years ago no longer exist today. Jobs that exist today may disappear in the next 5 years. So ask yourself, if my current skills become useless tomorrow, what will I do? The only safe answer is, I will learn new skills. Survival of the most adaptable. Charles Darwin never said, survival of the strongest. He said, survival of the most adaptable. Those who adapt survive. Those who refuse to learn fall behind. Adaptability comes from continuous learning and skill improvement. Life does not punish ignorance. Life rewards preparation. Skills build confidence. Confidence does not come from motivation speeches. Confidence comes from competence. When you know you have valuable skills, you speak with confidence. You negotiate better. You take risks. You fear rejection less. People who lack skills fear interviews, fear competition, fear change, fear failure. Skills turn fear into confidence. Skills protect your mental health. Financial stress is one of the biggest causes of depression. When you have skills, you feel useful. You feel needed. You feel secure. When you lack skills, you feel stuck. You feel dependent. You feel hopeless. Improving skills is not just career development. It is mental health protection. Skills create opportunities, not luck. Many people say, he is lucky. She got a chance. But opportunities don't appear randomly. They appear to prepared people. Luck is when opportunity meets preparation. Skills prepare you for opportunities you cannot even imagine today. No one is coming to save you. This is a hard truth, but an important one. No government. No company. No relative. No friend is responsible for your future. You are responsible. And the strongest weapon you have is your ability to learn and improve skills continuously. Skills give you independence. When you depend only on one job, one company, or one person, you are vulnerable. Skills give you independence. You can freelance. You can work remotely. You can start something small. You can create value online. Independence is freedom. Skills are the foundation of freedom. Small daily improvement changes everything. You don't need to learn everything in one day. Just improve 1% every day. 30 minutes a day. 1 hour a day. In 1 year, you will be unrecognizable. Consistency beats talent. Discipline beats motivation. Skills everyone must improve. Some skills are universal. Communication. English speaking. Digital literacy. Critical thinking. Emotional intelligence. Problem solving. Adaptability. No matter your profession, these skills will protect your future. The pain of learning versus the pain of regret. Learning is uncomfortable. But regret is painful. Choose your pain wisely. The pain of discipline. Or the pain of dependency. You are competing with the world. Today, you are not competing only with people from your city or country. You are competing with remote workers, global freelancers, AI tools, skilled individuals worldwide. To survive, you must level up continuously. Your skills are your identity. In the future, people will not ask, "Where did you study?" They will ask, "What can you do?" Your skills will define your identity. Final message: start today. Let me end with this message. The best time to improve your skills was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait for permission. Start small. Start now. Start today. Because in this fast-changing world, continuous skill improvement is not optional, it is survival. The world does not reward intentions. The world rewards skills.